A very good morning, student. The next topic we are going to see is about optical instruments. So we have various optical instruments which are being practically used. So we are going to discuss it one by one. First is simple microscope. So a simple microscope is a single magnifying, which is a converging lens of small focal length. Okay, so it is a single magnifying and this is a converging lens and it has a small focal length. Okay, and the idea is to get an erect, magnified and virtual image. Okay, so from simple microscope what we are getting is we are getting with a erect, magnified and also virtual image. For this, the object is placed between F and P. Okay, we know already what is F and P. If this is a lens, center of it is called as a pole. Yes, and the center of this curvature, that is called as a C, and in between this we have F. Okay, so in between this F and P the object is placed. So object is placed between F and P on one side of the lens and viewed from other side of the lens. So when you are placing at one side, we are viewing from the other side. Yes, clear. And this is a simple microscope, and there are two magnifications which we are going to discuss here. Okay, so what are the two magnification is near focusing and near point focusing as well as normal focusing. Okay, so first, what is the near point focusing is the object is formed at a near point, that is 25 centimeter from normal eye. From the eye it will be the object which is formed, sorry, the image which is formed, it will be at a distance of what, 25 centimeter, and this distance is also called as a least distance. Okay, so this distance is also called as what, least distance, and in this position the eye feels comfortable, but there is a little strain on the eye. Okay, so here the eye is little comfortable but little strain since it is too nearer to this. Okay, so this is a near point focusing, and the next is normal focusing. The image is formed at infinity. So infinity is we don't know at what point it will be formed. In this position, the eye is most relaxed to view the image. Most relaxed. Why it is so? Because it is viewing at a larger distance. Since it is viewing at larger distance, the eye is been relaxed. Clear? So now this two things we are going to see, the near point focusing as well as a normal focusing. First, in near point focusing, the object distance we are measuring as u, and that object distance is found to be less than f. Okay, so object distance is less than f and the image distance is near the point D. Then the magnification is given by m is equal to u divided by v. Okay, so sorry, m is equal to v divided by u. This is given wrongly. M is equal to v divided by u. Here we are taking the value of v to be equal to minus d and u to be equal to minus u, because we are seeing in the opposite direction. Okay, so we are taking as minus in both the condition. Okay, so when you substitute this v and u, so we get m which is equal to d divided by minus d divided by minus u, so minus get cancelled, so we get d divided by u. Next, we are going to take with the lens equation. So the lens equation is 1 by v minus 1 by u, which is equal to 1 by f. Okay. In this, we are going to divide throughout by v. Okay. Sorry, multiply by v. Okay. So multiply throughout by v. Yes. So we get, if you are multiplying throughout by v, we get v divided by v minus v divided by u, which is equal to 1 divided by f. Okay, so v by v is what, this get cancelled, so we get 1 minus v divided by u, which is equal to what, 1 divided by f. We already know the formula for m is given by v divided by u, is it not? So instead of this v by u, we are substituting as m in this place, so we get 1 minus m, which is equal to, sorry, this is v divided by f, because throughout we are multiplying by v, so v divided by f. Okay, now bring this m to this side and v by f to this side. Okay, so we get 1 minus v divided by f, which is equal to m. So this is the equation for m, we have got here. Yes, now substitute the value of v is equal to what? Minus d. Okay, so v is equal to minus into minus is plus, so m is equal to 1 plus d divided by f. So this is a magnification for near point focusing. Clear with this? Okay, so next is we are going to see with what is the normal focusing. So magnification in normal focusing, the angular magnification is defined as the ratio of the angle theta I subtended within the eye to the theta naught with unaided eye. Okay, so we are going to have the two focusing. Yes, so what is said here is the eye will be relaxed when the image is at infinity, because in normal focusing the eye will be relaxed, is it not? Since the eye is relaxed, we are going to see with the angle here. Okay, so angle, because it is viewing at a larger distance, so angle. So with unaided eye and with the aided one. Okay, aided eye is when you are focusing with the help of a lens. Okay, that is a aided eye, and when you are focusing only with the eye, that is called as what? Unaided. So that is denoted by theta naught, and this is theta I. Okay, so when you see the ratio of this both, that gives your magnification. Okay, so magnification which is equal to theta I divided by theta naught. Okay, so magnification is equal to what? Theta I divided by theta naught. This gives your angular magnification. Then, so for unaided eye, when you write the equation from this diagram, okay, so take the value of tan. Yes, so from this triangle, if you are going to find the value of tan theta, so what is the formula for tan theta? Which is opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, so h divided by d. Same way in this, considering this triangle. Okay, so tan theta naught. Yes, sorry, tan theta I. Here it is tan theta naught. Okay, so tan theta I, which is equal to what? Opposite divided by adjacent, so it is h divided by f. Okay, so we have got the values of tan theta naught and tan theta I from this diagrams, so for unaided eye and for aided eye. Clear? So now next is we are going to divide this both. Okay, because the formula is what? M is equal to theta I divided by theta naught, is it not? So theta I is this, theta naught is this. So when you divide, we get h divided by f divided by h divided by d. Yes, now the value of h gets cancelled, d we are taking to the numerator, so we get m which is equal to d divided by f. So this gives a magnification for the normal focusing. Okay, so m is equal to theta I by theta naught, h get cancelled, d divided by f. So this is a magnification for normal focusing. Yes, clear with what is a normal focusing as well as a near point focusing, which is used in the simple microscope. Okay.